Buddy, let's do the trend analysis for GBPINR. If you look at the daily trend of GBPINR, this is stuck in a range. The top range is roughly around 98, the bottom range is around 95, 95.50, and जो हम देख रहे हैं it's going up down up down up down, so it is in a range. ये range normally break down या break up होना चाहिए in either of the directions, so that you get a clear indication of what is going to happen with GBP INR. So on a monthly basis, if we look at it, the range is very low, but it is still not broken. It is still on an uptrend. You can see here, this is the monthly trend. यहाँ पे उसने एक चैनल बनाया और यही चैनल को डाउन ट्रेंड में जा रहा है. अगर इस चैनल को वो तोड़ेगा, then it is on a downtrend. Until then, the trend is sideways in GBPINR. It is very evident. And what we will do is, let's look at the 1 hour chart of GBPINR. And in 1 hour chart, again, let's focus here on the GBPINR. It has given a low somewhere here around 95.50 2 days yesterday. The low came, then it recovered, it went up, again selling came, again same levels around 65 range, it again took an up and consolidated, and it's went up and it's come to that same stage right now. The key point to observe here is, if the spot trades below 95.40, then it is clear sell. We can see further pressure going down. That is below this line. If we see selling, then it is clear pressure of high pressure selling that's going to come, because this will be the range breaker which is going to happen. But on the contrary, if the support is again taken near 65 and again it starts moving on the upside, then it is important to see two levels. One level is here, the other level is here. So if tomorrow opening is above 95.65, so if opening tomorrow is above 95.65, the first target on the upside will be 96. If 96 holds, then next target is 96.25, and if 96.25 holds, then 96.5 will come. So this will be on the upside. Similarly, on the downside, if 95.4 breaks, the downside target will be 95 and 94.8, 4.8. This could be the downside target. So please remember, one line is here, one line is here, and another line will come right here, and this line is 95.5, this line is 95.65, and this is 96. So if the opening is at 95.65, it can go till 96, and at 96 again observe if it can break up and go to 96.25. So opening is very important tomorrow, and tonight how the trading will happen depends. So let's see on this sideways move how the opening happens, and I'll be giving my recommendations and calls in my premium channel as well as in my Telegram channel. So subscribe to my Telegram channel. Please share this video with your friends and family who are interested in knowing what is the trend for tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.